welcome back to my channel. This is the second time I am filming this. I had 3 or 4 bags of crystals per each color and I realized it was a terrible representation of the stuff, and I haven't even fully watched it back, but like thinking of all the stuff shifting through, it wasn't working. So I am going to show you one at a time. So I got these from Art Beads and these are for my nails. So rewind, let's zoom out, I lied. So I did this with my wedding shoes. There's probably 12,000 of these attached to this shoe. And I have some leftovers. So I don't have any clear crystal that I bought in this haul. So this is like all the colors I got to get started with the nails and the crystals, because I still have these left over from when I did my wedding shoes, and these are all clear crystal. Oh, I lied, there's one volcano in there. But yeah, so I didn't buy any of those. So I would absolutely get that if you are just starting out buying crystals. So we are here. This is a light amethyst, and this is a 20 millimeter. So I did 20, 16 here, and I believe 8. So I stuck with a pretty good variety of crystals. I wanted a smaller one, but they didn't have it. I want to say this guy is a 6 or an 8. It may be a 6. So that is light amethyst. And then we have light metallic gold, which kind of is like a dirty gold. Is that like a weird thing to say? It's like, but it's not like super dirty, but it's just kind of a light gold. So I got quite a few different sizes. You can see the SS20s are these large ones, and then I got an SS 5, which is like the super babies, like this one right here. That's an SS5, and this is an SS7. This kind of one right here. And then next, these are also all pretty babies. This is Crystal, Rainbow, and Dark. So I thought this would be really cool for like, they were out of the larger sizes, but this would be kind of cool for Halloween or just like darker nails. It's like, it's an AB, so it has many colors, but it's a green, a little bit of purple, and then some blue in there. So I hope that's coming across good. These are just so pretty. And I think I got a 7 and a 6 and a 5. So I did very small amounts of that. And then this is white opal. They were out of most of the white opals, but look how pretty that is. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is an SS20, the one that is over my nail. So you can see it's actually quite large. It's probably perfect for like a thumb to kind of build out. This, they only had small ones again, and this is fuchsia. I wanted this for Valentine's Day, so I got this, and I also just picked up this from Light Elegance, which the haul for this would already be up, but like, look how almost perfect that is. Like, it just adds just a little bit. So yeah, I'm excited for that and excited for these. And then Volcano, which I think is an underrated one, but look how awesome that is. It shows up blue, it shows up purple, it shows up green, orange. Like, these are just so cool. They were out of most of the bigger sizes. So I got a 9 and a 5, and I believe there's a 6. Like, yeah, you can see the difference between 5 and 6 right there. So not much of a difference, but I like to have dimension. And these are light silk. This is a beautiful, beautiful, like, tan color. Like, look how pretty that is. These are just so pretty. Again, varying the sizes I've already talked about. And again, these only had small sizes. So this is Scarlet. And these, I believe, are a 8, 5, and 6. Actually, I think this, yeah, this is a 9. I lied. This is a 9. And then I did the Jet, and I love this. So this would be cool like over the black nails, which was intended when I purchased it, or even white. Where'd it go? That's the problem with getting them all in one bag, is like, how cool would that be? It's black on black, but like I have matte nails, so it'd be really cool to kind of have those stick out. I have these guys on, which are just the clear, ignore my smudge, but that would be sweet in a black form. And then next I got the peach, which I thought was just so cute. Like, I know it's probably not like a super popular color, but like, look how pretty it is. Again, this is an SS20. And then the next two kind of go hand in hand, even though they aren't the same. So this is a light sapphire, AB, and this is the SS20. And then I got regular sapphire, AB, in a 16, and I believe in a 12. So these were the only sizes they had. And there isn't too much of a difference in the two colors. Obviously the light is going to be lighter than the dark, but I feel like if you wore them together, it's not gonna be something that's super noticeable. So I really wanted these two, but I wanted to keep them different so I could keep track of the different names. And then this is light rose AB. So this is a AB, but it is a pinker AB than we're gonna get to the AB up in here. So this is kind of like an orange pink, and that would look super cool with this. Like, you can see the orange, and this is again the new one from Light Elegance. And then I was thinking how cool it would be to wear like the bee's knees with this. Like, look how cool these would all look together. So there was some planning when purchasing this, some planning. So I absolutely love that. And then this is the rose gold, again with the metallic, like the gold, but this is rose gold version, which isn't fully rose gold in my opinion. It's more of a pink gold, even though rose gold is pink, but like not like super rose gold. So yeah, I thought this would be kind of cool to do, like maybe like studs down on the matte black. That would look cool. And then last but not least, the most one I got are the ABs, because this is just heaven. Between this and crystal, this is 100% my favorite. I did SS20s, 16s, 10s, 9s, and 5s. I think 7 was sold out. But this will essentially always be on my ordering, 100%. Like, these are babies. This is an SS5, but like, just packs a punch. Like, even if I'm like, let me just put one like on the tip over here, it'd be like, yeah. So again, each size came in a bag. So I went ahead and did it in, like, dumped them all in the largest size I had. Because I'm pretty good at sizes. Again, I did my wedding shoes, and it's not the first pair of shoes I've done. So needless to say, I'm starting out, and I'm starting out right. And there's absolutely other colors and other sizes I want to get to kind of fill in the gaps here, but I don't want to go crazy and have a million different ones. I want to have ones that I would use, because these are all for me. So, you know, shameless wanting every color, but I think it would be good. Like, you can see like the fuchsia kind of in here, like there's pops of it. And like, how awesome would it be to add like an actual fuchsia in there? And then you have like the light purple. I didn't have a dark purple available to me at the time. And then you add like the endless of just awesomeness that you can create with these. And I mean, come on, there's some here. I did a lot of work this weekend, so like all these came off and I just filed them off. So yeah, so that's where I'm at. It was still a 10-minute video with all of them, but like, look at these ABs. These are everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.